Hello, my artsies. This week I bring you the creation of Scarlet Whisper of Nature. Emerging from the depths of my imagination, it is a vibrant testament to the mesmerizing interplay between humanity and the natural world. As I worked on this circular mastery, I found myself entranced by the symphony of colors and textures that developed beneath my hands. The artwork measures time not by its physical dimensions, but by the experience of gazing upon it, a journey unto itself. The very essence of this piece is a harmonious blend, a vivid red base that whispers warmth into the void, swirling with marbled textures that seem to breathe with organic life. It is as if the canvas itself is caught in a perpetual dance, each variation of tone a new step in a ballet of shadows and light. At the heart of this enchanting creation rests the solemn yet serene visage of a woman, a holographic embellishment, her flowing hair seamlessly evolving into a cascade of leaves. These intricate tendrils reach out like whispers in a forest, connecting her essence to the earth, drawing on the strength and serenity of its depths. Embedded within this tapestry are iridescent hues that glimmer and shift with the changing light, casting a spellbinding aura that captures and holds the gaze. Creating this piece was a pilgrimage through realms both mystical and earthly. The whispers of the natural world guided my hand, infusing life into every element. I delved into the ethereal, exploring reflective materials that imbue the piece with a luminescent quality, those elusive shimmerings becoming the breath of the artwork itself. Scarlet Whisper of Nature is a celebration of life's delicate fabric, a confluence where we, as part of nature itself, emerge, evolve, and coexist. Look upon it and be transported to a world where whispers of red tell stories untold, where spirits of the forest dwell and nature's secrets are unveiled in brilliant, unexpected colors. Let Scarlet Whisper of Nature speak to you, its story as timeless as the cycles of the earth.
I watched you as I lost you. You vanished and I lost you. Who I wasn't in that moment. I panicked, it was all true. All the lies you told me, they were pitiful. Never questioned them, that was my downfall. Blind to all the ugly, saw the beautiful. Now I walk alone like an outlaw. I see your eyes every time I turn a corner. I feel you deep inside of my chest. Holding you tight, me in California. I wouldn't believe, no, I never would guess I was in love with the ghost. You tasted like chocolate, and I melted in your pocket. So complacent, I forgot the skeletons in your closet. All the lies you told me, they were pitiful. Never questioned them, that was my downfall. Blind to